Hello, my teacher. My name is Blaise Adriana Olivella Perez. I am 29 years old. I am Colombian. I live in the city of Valledupar. I am business administration student. Um, mm, I live with my mother and my son. I really like riding my bike, but I don't like is getting out early. Um, the last trip I did was to Santa Marta for a weekend. We went to the birthday of an aunt of my boyfriend. I really enjoyed this trip and had great time. The next time I going to travel to Medellin to visit my new niece. I going to buy her many gifts and I going to pamper her a lot. I am also going to visit Guadalupe, which is beautiful and tourist place is region. And and meeting my family again fill me with joy. Thank you.